Hi everybody, I'm doing a getting to know me video today. I'm speeding through the preparations for a wreath and I thought I'd answer some of these fun questions. There's 100, I don't know how many I'm going to get through before I'm just like, this is dumb. Who is your hero? My mom. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? Mandeville in a colonial house with a giant shower and 4 acres of gardens, but I couldn't move there because I didn't have $900,000. My biggest fear is dying alone, maybe? What's your favorite family vacation? I guess Disney World when I was a kid. What would you change about yourself if you could? I would be 2 inches taller and weigh 200 pounds or get rid of my anxiety. What really makes you angry? People who are late. What motivates you to work hard? A better life for me and being able to take care of my mom eventually. What is the favorite thing about your career? Making things that people will love and enjoy for years to come. What is your biggest complaint about your job? People who don't want to pay you what you're worth. What is your proudest accomplishment? I have quilts in the Rocky Mountain Quilt Museum. I placed in national quilt shows. And I've been published a couple of times. What is your favorite book to read? I think they mean like what genre. I don't care. Fiction? I don't know. What makes you laugh most? Stupid animal movies? Like videos? What did you want to be when you were small? I wanted to be someone who had a lot of money. Would you rather ride a bike, ride a horse, or drive a car? A car? What would you sing at karaoke night? Fast Car by Tracy Chapman, Someone Like You by Adele. Yeah, one of those. Total Eclipse of the Heart by Bonnie Hunt. What would you rather do? Wash dishes, mow the lawn, clean the bathroom, and vacuum the house? Wash dishes. If you could only eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be? It would be sushi, because I think I'd get tired of pizza, but I know I would never get tired of sushi. Who's your favorite author? Christopher Pike. Would you rather vacation in Hawaii or Alaska, and why? Clearly Alaska, because I'm not going to be living in no Hawaii. I'll go into Hawaii. Would you rather win the lottery or work at the perfect job? Lottery. I don't know. If money was no object, what would you do all day? Shop? Buy things? I don't know. How would your friends describe you? Handsome, effervescent, charming, attractive, offensively talented. List 2 pet peeves. People who are late and people who are flaky. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I have no idea. How many pairs of shoes do you own? I probably own about 15 pairs of shoes. I wear 1. What is your favorite zoo animal? A peacock? If you could share a meal with 4 individuals, living or dead, who would they be? Sojourner Truth, Harriet Tubman, Mads Mikkelsen, and Tori Amos. What's the longest you've gone without sleep and why? Probably about 72-ish hours during Hurricane Katrina when I was waiting to be evacuated. Would you rather trade intelligence for looks or looks for intelligence? Neither. I wouldn't want to be hot and stupid or ugly and smart, so yeah. What's your favorite holiday? Christmas? What's the most daring thing you've ever done? One time I smoked pot at like 9 in the morning on my way to school late, riding down the highway, like in broad daylight. I don't know why. What was the last book you read? Call Me By Your Name. What's your favorite type of foreign food? Sushi? How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? As long as it takes me to wash my face, brush my teeth, and walk out the door. What kitchen appliance do you use every day? My electric griddle. What is your favorite family recipe? My mom's gumbo. What's your favorite movie? The Way He Looks, or Maurice, or Doom. God, those are 3. Glass half empty or half full? Half empty. Was your favorite subject in school? English? What's the most unusual thing you've ever eaten? I don't think it's unusual, but probably alligator. I don't know. Do you collect anything? I collect Hull Brown Drip pottery, and I used to collect Monster High dolls, and I used to collect troll dolls when I was much younger. Which of the 5 senses would you say is your strongest? Smell. Are you related or distantly related to anyone famous? My uncle is a professional football coach. I don't know if that counts. Does your family have a motto, spoken or unspoken? Yes, my family motto is, who the hell invited you and what the hell are you doing here? If you were the ruler of your own country, what would be the first law you would introduce? Equal pay for men, women, and everyone in between. What 3 things do you think of most each day? My mom, my dog, my bank account. If you had a warning label, what would yours say? Contents under pressure. What celebrity would you like to meet at Starbucks for a cup of coffee? First of all, I would never go to Starbucks. I would go to an independent coffee shop, and I would meet Mads Mikkelsen. Who was your first crush? Mad Mikkelsen. That's not true. I don't know who my first crush was. What's the most interesting thing you can see out of your office or kitchen window? I don't feel like getting up because I'm tired, but I'm sure my neighbor's outside without a shirt on hammering something. Or cutting the grass. On a scale of 1 to 10, how funny would you say you are? 10. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? What was your first job? Floral consultant, floral concept designer. How many languages do you speak? 4. What is your favorite family holiday tradition? Christmas breakfast. Who's the most intelligent person you know? My friend Michelle. If you had to describe yourself as an animal, which one would it be? Peacock. What is the one thing you will never do again? Willingly allow someone to administer Compazine to me via IV. And who knows you best? My mom knows me best. Michelle knows the most about me. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't do all of them because a lot of them were stupid as I was scrolling through the list, but I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on Wednesday, I think. All right, guys, bye.